turn off active status on Facebook Messenger. Turning off active status on Facebook Messenger is quite easy and simple. Just launch Messenger app on your device. Ensure that you have logged in or signed into your particular account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. On the side panel, tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, select active status. Now toggle off the button first so when you are active and you need to pause activity status for a certain time, let's select until I change it. You can also choose for 1 hour, 8 hours or until 8 or custom. Once done, tap pause, and once you have done that, you will successfully turn off active status on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.